After you've removed the servo motor from the engine, the first thing you'll need to do is remove the black knob with a 2mm Allen wrench and the cable as well. Just loosen it and the knob will pop right off, and loosen the two nuts and remove the entire cable. The next step is to remove the motor from the bracket by drilling out the old rivets. Now we're going to remove the little zip ties that hold the resistor wiring on, which will allow us to have good access to the servo motor.
This one.
Now remove the 4 screws from the top of the servo motor with a Phillips screwdriver. You'll notice that screw is very corroded, which confirms there was water penetration at a pretty high level. Now we need to remove the top so you can get access to the servo motor itself. To remove the servo, use vice grips and connect securely to the post, and then twist and pull, and the guts of the servo will pull out. And you can see it's quite corroded. So to clean up the motor, use a little WD-40 and a wire brush. Spray it well and carefully scrub the entire motor to remove as much corrosion as possible. Make sure it's in the right position, and then you can replace the core, put it in the housing, press firmly, and now you can replace the top. Make sure it's in the right location, and replace the 4 long screws. Now we're ready to reinstall the servo to the aluminum bracket. Make sure the wires are all lined up coming out the bottom. Ideally, you have 4 rivets. Now you just have to reinstall the throttle cable to the bracket, which is quite easy. Tighten up the 2 nuts, and then you'll slide the black knob back onto the shaft. There is a flat spot on the shaft which must line up with the set screw. Tighten it up with your Allen key. Do not over tighten, but make it nice and snug. You don't want to strip it. And then wind the knob clockwise until it's snug, and you're ready to reinstall it on the engine.